Have you heard about Vitrafoxin? It's a brain supplement that claims to restore sharp focus, memory, and mental clarity using rare mushrooms from the Himalayas. It's made for anyone who's feeling mentally foggy, forgetful, or just not as quick as they used to be. Honestly, the whole Himalayan mushroom thing caught my eye. I wasn't sure if it was just hype or the real deal. To make things easier, there's a link to the official Vitrafoxin in the description below. Click it to access it safely, learn how to use it properly, and avoid fake sites. So I did some digging, watched a bunch of YouTube reviews, scrolled through forum threads, and read verified buyer feedback. What stood out? A lot of older folks saying they noticed a real difference. One guy said he remembered all his grandkids' names again. And the science behind it actually checks out. Ingredients like Ganoderma and Yamabushitate have been used for centuries to support memory, focus, and even neuron growth. That NGF stuff it boosts? Legit. What really makes Vitrafoxin different is how it's made. They don't use the usual lab-grown stuff. They extract the fruiting bodies of these mushrooms at low temperatures to keep all the good brain-boosting compound intact. And get this, you just take 2 capsules in the morning. No pills all day, no brain training apps, nothing fancy. People say they feel clearer, more confident, even more socially engaged. Some even said it feels like they turned back the clock 20 years. If you're someone who's noticed your memory slipping, or you just want to stay mentally sharp as you age, I really think this is worth checking out. The link to Vitrafoxin is down in the description. Give it a look and see if it gives your mind that spark again.